Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we shall study the essay structure for your writing module, which generally most of the learners ignore. Mind well, mastering your writing skills helps you in a dual manner. It helps you prepare yourself for effective writing, but also strengthen your speaking skills too. You just get ready with sentence formation, ease using vocabs, varied ideas to various kinds of topics which are generally common for both the writing as well as the speaking module. Let's quickly start with the common essay structure for general and academics, both the categories. As we know by now, essays are categorized into two forms, that is opinion and discussions mainly. Whatever be the type of essay, it always starts with introduction, ends with conclusion, and the central part is generally allotted for the paragraphs in the form of body parts as per the need of the essay. Wisely work on word allotment, as we know that we have a core limit of 250 words. So introduction should always carry 50 words. Both the body paragraphs or whatever body paragraphs you form, it should carry 80, not beyond than 100 words. Similarly, conclusion should carry 50 words, which all in all sum up to 260 to 300 words, which is worthy for writing a very good essay for Ielts. Also keep a keen eye on the assessment parameters. Let's initiate with introduction, the first para for any essays. So IELTS demands 3 good sentences while writing your intros. It should be formal and catch the reader's attention. It should clearly mention your stand, of course. It has to be written in 3 to 4 relative sentences. Let's try out those 3 good introductory sentences for writing a very good introduction. A general sentence or an opening sentence is a generalized idea of the given issue or concern in the given question. The second good sentence is rephrasing or rewording of the given question. So you can do that by using synonymical structures. Of course, you can change the word order or word form. Either you can change the sentence structure itself, or you may turn the active sentence into a passive form. But one should always keep in mind that the essence of the question should not change. The third sentence is the thesis sentence, which generally gives insight about the essay to the reader, also shows clearly your stand. It clearly outlines the statement and should also give the main idea to the essay. Mind well that all these 3 sentences further flows in the body paragraphs. So one should be very keen while mentioning these 3 good sentences in the introductory part. It is also important to understand that the introduction is different for the opinion and discussion essays, but yes, the body structure doesn't change. The 3 format of sentence doesn't change. With that, one should always master oneself in understanding the types of the essays first. A quick reminder for my learners, it is very much important that before you start writing your introduction, brainstorm very well regarding the question. That is going to help you in 2 ways. It is not only going to help you to hold your stand or decide your stand for the essay, but it is also going to help you to write the body parts of the coming essays, because once you have written your thesis sentence, you cannot deviate, isn't it, during the body parts? Otherwise, you're going. Well, talking regarding the body parts of the essays, as we know that the body part is about paragraph allotments. So it is different for the opinion essays and discussion essays. It is very much true that when you're writing an opinion essays, you definitely frame at least 3 good paragraphs to justify your answers. But yes, when it comes to discussion, 2 body paragraphs are wisely enough. So it depends on type of question which you have to answer. The last and the least, that is the most important wing of your essays, is the concluding part, that is in form of conclusion. Make very sure that you restate your main point as well as your main opinion. But be careful that you shouldn't introduce any new arguments, which will be again difficult for the reader to understand, isn't it, the concluding part. So it should be powerful again. So it should clearly give the insight of the essay, what you have written. That is what I mean. Of course, it should be of 3 to 4 good sentences, and be keen about the word limit. The upcoming videos, we shall learn with examples the entire essay structure for both sort of essays, that is opinion and discussion essays. Hope this video you might have found it really helpful. Do share, subscribe and like my channel Don't forget to subscribe. You watch, but you don't subscribe. So please subscribe. Thank you for watching.